Here where I am in the store doing a pickup for the customer, and so I'm just touring the store, dropping jewels, dropping knowledge. So my background is hospitality. You wonder, oh my, so keen on household things. So here's sheets. Quick lesson about sheets, right? Microfiber you don't want to buy. I don't buy microfiber sheets. They're bad, they're low quality. So lessons about sheet. People always think that the higher the tread count, the better the sheet is, and it's gonna last longer than that. You could buy 1,000 thread count sheet and just waste your money. There's a sweet spot for thread count. 300 I don't support buying. The sweet spot starts at about 450. When you get to 450 thread count sheets, you're getting solid sheets. There's a difference between Egyptian cotton and cotton sateen. The difference is, right, your Egyptian cotton sheets are going to be a little bit rougher out the bag. We get into hotel collection. These are some nice sheets, pretty expensive. Well, a little bit above average price, not expensive. Your Egyptian cotton is going to be a little bit rougher out the bag, and as you use it and wash it, it starts to become a lot softer to the touch against the skin. Then your cotton sateen is sprayed with a particular chemical to feel soft out the bag, and the more you wash it, I wouldn't say the rougher it becomes, but it doesn't progress to becoming smooth against the skin like your Egyptian cotton. Excuse me. And so around 4 to 450 thread count is the minimum threshold for your house. I'm from the hospitality. In the hospitality, we use a lot of 300 thread count. We just know that we're going to be rotating sheets every so often. But right around 400 thread counts is where the sweet spot is. And that's where you start getting good quality sheets. Of course, you want it to be cotton, Egyptian cotton, or cotton sateen. Is where you start getting good quality sheets. Of course, you want a decent brand. Better Homes is Walmart higher end brand in comparison to Mainstay. And these are decent feeling sheet at 300 thread counts.